Creating design after design for your pod store can feel repetitive and draining. That's exactly where AI steps in with a bang. Imagine turning a sketch into hundreds of on-brand graphics overnight. That's what AI design tools do. They automate the grunt work, resizing, mock-ups, small edits, so you can channel your creativity where it counts. With AI on your team, you stay consistent, fast, and on trend. You get to explore styles, colors, and variations without burning hours on each step. This lesson is all about how AI transforms design from a bottleneck into your best growth lever. Let's uncover how to scale your creativity, not just your workload. The secret sauce to great AI designs, it's all in how you ask. Unlike traditional tools, AI models like Midjourney or DALL-E don't work off checkboxes. They work off words. So your prompt needs clarity and creativity. Start with a vivid description of what you want. Style, mood, subject, color palette. Pepper in artistic terms. Minimalist, vintage, bold line work, pastel gradients. That sets the tone. Think of your prompt as a conversation with a very visual, very literal artist. Instead of saying, make a cool shirt, you'd say, a retro-inspired graphic featuring a smiling sun, bold shadows, 70s typography, warm, earthy tones. You're giving it both the ingredients and the flavor profile. If you're targeting a niche like plant moms who love taro, include those identity markers. Illustration of a houseplant in a crystal bowl with hand-drawn mystical style. But don't stop there. Use an iterative process. Generate, review, tweak. Swap adjectives, shift focus, include or exclude elements. Use negative prompts. No background text. Exclude warm tones to sharpen output. Always compare results against your brand identity. If something feels off, pinpoint why. Maybe the energy is too busy or the contrast is too heavy. Tweak and rerun. Great prompts evolve, and this process is your creative feedback loop, marrying AI efficiency with your human taste. It's how designers push beyond cliché and stay uniquely on brand. Once you have a base design concept you love, it's time to expand, and fast. Start with that master design, your key visual that nails the mood and message. Feed it into AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E, and ask for variations. Swap colors, change textures, adjust compositions. The goal is to keep the core identity while exploring styles that appeal to diverse segments. Want a mock-up with retro typography, a version for minimalist aesthetics, one splashed with bold neon, generate them all. Next, automate adaptation across products. AI-powered mock-up generators can place your design on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more, all without manual work. You maintain brand consistency, but multiply your store's appeal. Each variation acts like a mini-test. Which color lets you break through on Pinterest? Which style resonates in a craft community? Pretty quickly, you're not just designing, you're launching a catalog that looks intentional and reacts to diverse buying behaviors, all generated with a single starting point and a creative prompt. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Think of your design system as a pipeline. Generate, enhance, mock-up, upload. When automated, this workflow can save up to 85% of your design time. That means you can produce and list 3 times more products using the same resources. Start with AI generation, base design, variations, refinements. Then use batch processing tools to enhance, clean up background, upscale resolution, crop for platforms. Next, auto-generate mockups with tools like Placeit or Printful's API. Finally, script listing uploads to Etsy, Shopify, or Poodi platforms. With this pipeline, you're not just producing, you're scaling. Listings go live faster, revenue starts rolling in sooner, and you're free to iterate or focus on marketing. Best part, the average cost of generating a design shrinks to about 0.15. That's hustle-level ROI, powered by automation. Design may initially draw eyes, but great customer experience keeps people buying. As you expand your catalog, you'll face more customer questions: sizing, shipping, print colors, returns. Automating 80% of those interactions using templates like FAQ bots or canned flows for email is a game changer. First, identify frequent friction points. Maybe shoppers ask, will this fit? Or can I get this in a mug? Answer those with concise, friendly templates or chatbots embedded in your store. Use automation tools like ManyChat or Zendesk's saved replies. But don't automate personality away. Insert your brand's voice, hugs, humor, empathy. Keep the 20% that needs human touch genuinely human. This automation lets you handle scale without losing connection. Designs flood in, orders pile up, but customers feel seen, not ignored. And that can convert first-time buyers into loyal supporters faster than any ad. Now you're designing smarter, faster, and better. Next up, we'll fuel your flywheel by mastering low-touch customer service, building systems that keep customers buying and happy, all without overloaded help desks. Let's keep that momentum going. G,